How to get honey in Minecraft. So first, just find the bee's nest. So just simply go to the forest or just buy some trees and you will find a bee nest or beehive right there. Now, once you have seen a beehive, just make sure that you have a campfire ready and of course a glass bottle. And also make sure that the beehive looks like this. So there's like dripping honey and these two slots are filled with honey. So if they're not filled with honey, it will just look like a brown dark spot right there. And just simply make sure that you have a campfire ready. So we will put it at the bottom of the hive right here so that it will help us calm the bees when we get the honey, since they will basically go out of the nest when we get the honey. And of course, the surrounding bees will not sting us. So once we have this set up, just get your bottle. Once you have your bottle, just right click on the hive right here. Now, as you can see, we now have our honey right here on our bottle, and that's how you basically get honey in Minecraft.